My project was about homeless shelter with bioclimatic and passive techniques. This is the title of the project: Bioclimatic Passive Design Techniques of Vernacular Building that can meet thermal zone of residents in Tabriz. The abstract, one of the main problem of this abstract was wasting energy through the interior and exterior of residential buildings, and in transition from historical to contemporary houses of Tabriz, buildings lost some of their values, such as saving energy. So applying bioclimatic approach can tackle these problems according to many researchers. They suggested that bioclimatic can tackle these problems. So this research aims to provide sustainable suitable solution to mitigate energy loss in buildings. And the methodology of this research was based on case study, vernacular building in cold climate of Iran, and for answering the question, library resources used. And about scenario outline, the site is located in cold city. The problem was increasing energy consumption. The aim of the project was using passive techniques, and not to mention the cost of the building should be cheap because it's for homeless people. This is a concept of the bioclimatic architecture for thermal comfort, wind control, sound control, natural ventilation, natural lighting and heating, use of basements. And this is a site plan, and this is a homeless shelter which is located on the site plan. This is a whole building of the homeless shelter. And in the next slide, I want to talk about other details. For example, this is a porch that can keep control the building from wind and sun. This is courtyard and the sun space that can help building keep building warm, and a skylight also. And about low physical effort, the use of hand wash sensor system, and this sensor is produced by it's completely sustainable. About tolerance for error, I used fans across the building. About perceptible information, I used staircases that can reach people to the entrance of the building. You can see efficient lighting, a skylight, double insulation, trump wall. In the next slide, I will talk about efficiency. You can see trump wall and sun space. The use of sun space for keeping the interior space warm during winter instead of mechanical. About simple and easy to use, the use of electronic and remote control skylight. It's pretty simple and easy to use. By control you can. About flexibility, I designed a movable wall, and people can store things into the wall. About equitable use, in front of the entrance I use the ramp for disabled people. And it's about size. This is a standard size of the main door of the building, and it's appropriate for all people from all age of group. It's completely suitable for all people. Briefly talk about universal design, about low physical effort, hand wash sensor system, tolerance for error, fence, defining a staircase, remote control that was easy to use, movable bulb, flexibility in use, ramp, and standard of the door. This project is completely sustainable and efficient. A skylight, trunk wall, courtyard, sun space, porch, and basement for wind control. In conclusion, the significant problem was increasing energy consumption, and for tackling this issue, we can use bioclimatic strategies and the techniques that used in vernacular architecture in Iran. And this research suggests that according to 2023 urban planning policies, it is not possible to adopt and implement vernacular architecture. So Implementing bioclimatic strategies to achieve sustainable development can be a new